Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're tackling a super common Cash App error. The recipient's account is unable to accept payments. If you've been frustrated by this message when trying to send money, stick around because I'm going to show you exactly how to fix it step by step. And trust me, it's easier than you think. First, let's clear up what this error really means. Most of the time, this isn't a problem with your account. It's an issue on the recipient's end. Their account is simply not set up to receive payments. Here's what the recipient needs to do. Check security and privacy settings. Ask the recipient to open their Cash App and tap on their profile icon. Go to Security and Privacy. Make sure two key settings are turned on. Allow others to request money from me. Allow others to find me at cash tag. These settings make it possible for you or anyone else to send them money. If either is off, payments won't go through. Contact Cash App Support. If those settings are already correct but the payment still fails, it may be a technical issue on Cash App's side. In that case, open the Cash App Support chat, explain the issue clearly, and let their team fix it from the back end. Remember, this problem almost always comes down to privacy settings. Double-checking them usually solves everything in minutes. And that's it. Quick, simple, and you're back to sending money without errors. If this tutorial helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more Cash App tips, and don't forget to check the description for other helpful guides. See you in the next one.